Google Domains have now been switched over to Squarespace. So all of your domain registrations will have been moved and migrated over to Squarespace. I saw my Google domain, and when I went to the DNS checking, it was showing a timeout error, not showing any stats on my DNS. I assume this is someone who previously was using Google Domains. Google Domains have now been switched over to Squarespace. So all of your domain registrations will have been moved and migrated over to Squarespace. So if you were a previous customer of Google Domains, head over to Squarespace. We'll check your email. You will have had a Squarespace account created. I'm not a fan of the Squarespace interface. I thought it was really crappy and I couldn't renew my domains by clicking a button whenever I wanted to. I got rid of that pretty quickly and I moved as many as possible of my domains over to Cloudflare, which does cost price registrations. And of course, they do DNS and web security and everything else. And they're just a general recommendation of a great place to put your domains. But we can also register your domain name for free. If you're a Concierge member, we'll register your domain name for free and we'll manage the DNS for you on Cloudflare. So it means that it's just one less thing for you to worry about. We'll, make sure the recurring payments go through. Sometimes people forget that their credit card expires and their domain name expires and then their emails are down and they call us trying to fix it and then they can't access things. It turns into a pain. So yeah, we just do that for you if you want. That's a nice little perk for our Concierge members. If you need more help with what we've covered in this video, itGenius provides support services to businesses all over the world with problems just like this. Click the link below to get started.